I got this done. See, everything's installed. Yeah, it looks like spaghetti, but it's my first case. Try cable management right there. Yes, it's ketchup and mustard cables. I'm not using a really good power supply. It's just there for temporary. And soon I get a graphics card, and I don't know where I want to mount this fan at. Serial ATA. This is the one I'm using right now. Meaning you're talking about that little power strip? Three pins?
In the power supply.
Oh, that's still there. It's still around. But it doesn't have the right format for the 24 pin.
Why are you like, oh, I really wish I didn't get those dad's EDU pants to Kathy.
Why, she rinsed it up?
No, she wears them occasionally.
She gave it to Dad.
I gave the camo pants to Cassandra, and Cassandra gave them to Kathy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You see her once in a while. My dad was talking about this one. Super Flower. The only problem is, what's the layout? Come on. See? This is the one I was talking about. It wasn't. This thing supports how many? Wow. 470 volts. The highest you can get. But the only problem is, this is old fashioned. Who even knows what this is anymore? I can get this pin. And all the rest I don't know. There's even floppy power thing. Still good. I don't know. Are you talking about this?
Yeah.
It doesn't have serial ATA. It's a nice one though. It says 470 watts. That's pretty good.
That's why I said it would probably be a good one.
But it doesn't have serial ATA and had to convert the legacy to serial. I don't even. This might be a 20 pin. And I need with a 4 pin because the motherboard supports the 4 pin.
Like I said, I guess it's older than I thought it was.
It's from Superflower. I think they're gone.
Super flower.
Flower?
Look at that. I don't think they have all those fans in there. Make the airflow. So they call it super flower.
Do you ever think about getting rid of this or nah? Some people might with an old computer build might want to do this, but I don't see anybody doing that. Only people with giving out history they want it. Alrighty, guys. So yeah, this thing has some scratches already, but I don't care. I'm gonna get my hard drive installed, so already. Please like and subscribe to Please like and subscribe to this video. Bye.